Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Sami from Civil Engineers, and today in this video lecture I am gonna talk about steel versus timber formwork. Which formwork should be used in building construction works, steel or timber, and also benefits of steel and timber formwork, and what is the disadvantages of steel or timber formwork. So in this video lecture I am gonna talk about in detail for steel versus timber formwork. So let's start. If this video is helpful for you, so must like the video and subscribe the channel for more civil engineering updates. Let's start. So the first one is timber formwork. Guys, the timber formwork is one of the mostly used in construction industry. Fabricated on site using timber, it's easy to produce but time consuming for larger structures. Timber is easy to fix and remove and lightweight. Friends, this is mostly used construction industry, the wood formwork or timber formwork you can say, right? But for small projects you can use the timber, right? But for larger structure you can't use because it can waste more time. But nowadays it's a new technology and we have different types of formwork. So many people they use steel formwork and other types of formwork, but timber is also suitable to use for the small projects because it's cheap, okay, and everywhere you can find, and timber formwork is available. So therefore you can use the timber formwork, and it's easy to fix and remove, and it is lightweight, right? Now what's the advantages of timber formwork, wood formwork, right? So timber shuttering is easy to construct for any shape, so you can make any types of shapes from the timber formwork and with size and height, right? The second benefit is it is economical for small projects, okay, so it's cheap price, so therefore you can use it for your project, but you can't use it for the larger structures. Now it can easily be made into any shape or size. This is other important point, benefit. It can be constructed using locally available timber, so you can use any types of wood for formwork, right, for building construction, because it's locally available timber. Everywhere you can find wooden formwork. It is lightweight as compared to steel or aluminum shuttering. This is the other benefit of wood or timber formwork. Now come to the steel formwork. So steel formwork is now becoming the popular due to its long lifetime and multiple times reuses. You can use the steel formwork because it is a new technology. It's very popular formwork, the steel formwork, and it is long life, so therefore you can use it for multiple times, right? Now steel formwork is costly, so it's expensive, but it can be used for the larger number of projects, but you can use it for more times. For more project you can use steel formwork, but it's costly than wooden formwork. Now steel shuttering gave very smooth finishes to concrete surface, but it can't, right? It is suitable for circular or curved structure such as water tank, columns, chimney sewer, tunnel, and retaining walls. But you can't use for the tunnel this formwork, timber formwork, like for water tanks, because it can take more time, okay? So therefore we should use steel formwork for these types of structures which I have discussed here. Now what is the advantages of steel formwork? Guys, you can see here steel shuttering is strong from wooden or from timber. Steel shuttering is strong, durable, and has longer life. It gives very smooth finishes to surface of member, but timber formwork can't give you the smooth surface of concrete, but it can give you smooth finish to surface of members for beam, column, and slab. And the other one is it's waterproof and minimize the honeycombing effects. We have honeycombings, so therefore it remove, right? The other one is it can be used more than 100 times, but timber formwork you can use from 5 to 10 times, otherwise it's not suitable to use for construction of structures, but you can use it for more than 100 times. So these are some important points about steel versus timber formwork which I have discussed the front of you guys. If you have any questions, so you must comments. I will try to reply your answer. But I am telling you that if you want to get the benefits, but I will tell you that use steel formwork. It's costly, but it can give you more facilities. But timber you can also use, but use it for the small project, not for larger project. And timber can't be used more than 10 times. It's cheap, but you can't use more than 10 times. It can't give you a good surface, but steel can give you good surface of steel, a concrete structure. So this is a video which I have discussed the front of you. So thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.